The URB-E Sport is the next evolution of Urban 626's foldable, personal electric vehicle. The Sport, it must be lighter, lower cost, fold in under a second, have more than 15 miles of range, and feature a removable battery power bank. Now, the upcoming CES event in Las Vegas, we're going to make our debut, and that's our most public and critical milestone, and there's a lot left to do in our product development project. At this point, the CAD model is a hodgepodge. No one's going to be able to manufacture from sketch blocks and lines, so there's a lot of work to accomplish before CES in 6 months. Our initial project scope is to complete the design of the URB-E Sport. It needs to be production ready with all relevant controlled deliverables. It must be validated for safety, stability, and manufacturability. As project manager, I need to schedule out the work for the next 6 months. One option is to break down the project in Excel, but a spreadsheet is not the right tool to orchestrate tasks, resources, deliverables, and records. With the milestones fast approaching, I need a better way to keep the entire team connected to the plan. So we use Solidworks Manage. Here I have laid out the project schedule into basic stages, and in each stage I have organized resources, created detailed tasks, assigned them to team members, and allotted time budgets. This means I can keep track of our activities, deliverables, and progress from one shared schedule. And the users in Manage are the same as in my Data Manage or PDM setup. It's simple for everyone to visualize what we need to do with the task board, and it all starts with mechanical design. Let's examine the tasks for each of the team members with a filtered view of their tasks. Jordan, he's a guru when it comes to aesthetics and industrial design, so he's going to work on our visible made parts. I need him to keep the integrity of Sven and Grant's iconic URB-E style top of mind. Mike's product artwork is second to none, so I'm assigning him to work on content as well as our e-commerce and online presence. We need some stunning content for CES and eventually drive sales through immersive product experiences. Sashi, our analyst, he's starting with validation of stability and rideability of the new URB-E Sport. I also need him on stress analysis and load development so we can run virtual prototyping before physical testing. Todd, he has extensive design experience, so he's going to focus first on completion of the top-level CAD assembly. I set that to urgent. I also need him to prioritize the new sheet metal parts so we can order prototypes ASAP. As the team designs for cost reduction, they will also need to maximize the quality of components and assembly precision. That will be our #1 differentiator when we hit the market. They will achieve this if they get their design work done right the first time. So, accurately capturing design intent and leveraging early and often simulation will be key. All of us are going to use Solidworks PDM for our data management infrastructure. This means we have controlled documentation as well as safely vaulting our progress as we go. The last thing we need is the team's hard work being lost to their Windows desktops. PDM lets us all keep track of our design files, while Manage lets us keep track of our design processes. As each of us completes our work, we can track our time and attach deliverables to each task. Project management with Solidworks Manage is not just another Gantt chart tool. It allows you to connect to the hub of your engineering data and your team through the PDM system that you already have in place. Tasks allow you to divide the work and keep everyone aligned on the priorities as you progress towards your critical milestones. Keep watching this series to see how URB-E moved from concept to consumer, leveraging the entire Solidworks solution.